Ravi, I think you have to
Yeah, we got it.
convert to
We got it.
employee
We
object.
got it. Actually, the problem is, here we don't have need to take what is that array object. Here, what is the need of to take the array object now? See this? Okay, now here we are getting right multiple records. So we have need to convert in because super class is there, right? So after then if we convert the super class object in the what is that child, right? Then it will then here the need to array object. See this? Now I'm running the application. Now see the result. C here C and 44, right? Third record based on that C and 44 in the cell we are getting now, guys.
Yeah, but we have given 11, no? We should get the
Here
first record.
here we are different two. See this here two different data type is there, right? Because of that in the repository, because of that what is that, see this, okay? Because of that in the repository, right? In the repository what we are going now, what we are doing now, we are taking the object type, okay? Object type, no need here in the repository, no need to take what is that array here direct, okay? So but whenever we will take it, we have need to typecast it because the two different data type is there, right? In the direct Java application, then we have need to typecast it and then we can perform the operation now, guys. Okay, guys. So here what we are doing now, see this, here we are directly hard coding the query, right? This is the very bad approach, right? Here what we are doing now, we are like what is that, hard coding the query now. Okay, so but no, I want what is that, I want end user, end user will put what is that, this ID. So for that what is that, positional parameter is there, right? Positional parameter is there. Based on that what positional parameter, what we will do now, here we will specify the what is that, id, right? So what is the positional parameter, question mark, right? Like what is that, this is the query, right? So what we will do now, we will take the question mark and this we will give the indexing value, right? This is the first index, right? This is what, first index only, right? Good. So now fine. Okay, this is the first index, means what is that, first index. Here what is that, dynamic data will come, right? Dynamic data will come. So how it will be now, how it will be now, let's see that. Okay, let's see that. Okay, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to write the query now. Okay, okay, I'm going to write the query now. So what is that, just our query is what is that, get employee by ID, right? I want what is that, I want what is that, employee, right? All employees. So just think about that, this one employee I want, based on that what is that, id. If we want to select, right, what is that, select star from emp tab employee, right? Employee where, right? Where what is that, where eid equal to what, 11, right? This is the query, this is the query now, guys. Okay, now run this one. See, we are getting this record, right? We are getting this record. So same like, right? But here what we same this operation only we will perform using what is that, our Java application, right? Our Java application. So what will be the method now? Let's decide it. Okay, let's decide it. Okay, so what is that, get what, get employee, get employee by what is that, id, right? Get employee by id. So here what we will do now, so which one, which id we want now? Okay, based on the employee id we want to select it, right? Based on the employee id we want to select it. So what is that, integer emp id, right? Emp id. Now fine now, guys. So this one will return what, this method will return what, employee object. This method will return what, employee object. Okay, so now fine, guys. Okay, at the rate what is that, query, at the rate what, query. Now fine, inside this query what we are going to do now, we are going to write what, we are going to write what, query now. Okay, so what is that query now, select what is that, e from what, employee, right? E from employee, e where, right? where what is that e dot emp id, right? Emp id. This is the query now. Okay, emp id equal to question mark. What is that? First parameter, right? So this one, right? This, whenever we will put, right, the id number, it will come here, and that id will store here, right? That id will store here now, guys. Okay, so fine. Now let's run the application and we will see our what is that result now. Okay, so fine. So I'm commenting this one now. So what is that here? See this. Okay, so system. System, what is that? Repo dot what is that? What the method? Get what is the method, guys?
Get employee by ID.
Get employee by ID.
Yes. So here which record we want to select it now? I want to select what? A11 record only, right? A11 only. So what we will do now? We will pass that. What is that? We will pass that what? We will pass that ID now. Okay. Now let's run the application and see this one. See this, based on that, what is that? 11 we passed, right? We passed, and what we are getting now? Okay, no, I want what is that? Another record. If you want to see another record now, okay, I want to 12, right? I want to select what? 12 now. Okay, fine. Now let's see this one. So what we will do now, here we will pass the 12, right? 12 now. Okay, after passing the 12, now run the application. We will get what is that? 12th record, result record. See this, EMP ID 12, EMP name B, and EMP salary what? 3.2, right? 3.2. Okay. (3.2) B and 12, right? 12. Okay, so okay, Ravikant. Now you are saying, okay, here what is that first indexing, right? Here what we are doing now? Here we are passing the indexes, right? Question mark what? Index. What is that? 1, right? 1. Okay, so fine. If multiple indexes there, how we can handle it? How we can handle it? Okay, so for that, let's see that. So our query is what? EMP ID, right? What is that EMP ID and what is that EMP name and our salary, right? And a salary. We want to select what is a 3 record. Based on that, we will pass that, right? We will pass what is that ID also we will pass, and what is that name also we will pass, and a salary, and a matching row will come, right? Matching row will come as a output. Okay, this is our what query now. Okay, guys. So now okay, so you people are feeling bored now. Actually, initially, right? Initially, after so long time, miss, so gap is there, right? In the last weekend, I thought that let's complete data JPA, but I unable because of fever, right? So don't worry, my mind is going to hit now. Okay, when my mind will become hit now, I will deliver good subject only. Okay, I know that little bit is feeling bored, right? Don't worry about that. My
Not boring, Ravi. It's interesting.
once my mind will
Not
become what
boring,
is that
not boring.
total hit, right? Just I'm hitting my mind. Okay. If my mind will become hit, I will deliver good subject. Okay, just cooperate for 5 to 10 minutes.
Not at all boring, Ravi.
Okay,
Not at all
so
boring.
okay, good. So now fine, guys. Okay, so this is what employee ID. Get employee ID is there, right? Employee ID is there. Inside that, what? Select E. We are selecting. Okay, only one positional parameter is there, right? So no, I want what is that? So just let's decide one method now, guys. What is that? Just let's decide one method. Okay, so what is that method name? Our method, what is that? Get what? Get EMP, right? Get what? EMP. Get what? EMP by, right? Get EMP by ID and what? And what? Name, right? And name and or what? Salary also, right? salary also. Okay, this is what our requirement. Okay, so inside that what will be there now, guys? Inside that we will pass the argument, right? What is the argument now? Integer what? Integer what? Integer what? ID, right? ID means what is that? This one also based on that, right? If we pass 11, the A and the 2, then this record will come, right? This is our requirement now. Okay, so now another one is what? String. String, what is that? Name, just I'm taking, right? Name. And what is that? Double, what is that? Double what? Sal, just sal. Okay, 3 parameterize this method is there, right, guys? So it will return what? Based on that, then it will return what? Employee object. Then it will return what? Employee object. For that, what is the query now? For that, what is the query now? At the rate query, right? At the rate query. Inside that, what is the query now? Select what? Select E from employee E, right? Alias name. Where what is that? E dot emp ID, right? Emp ID. And position, what is the position now, guys? Emp ID, what is the position now? First, right? So question mark. Now first index. Okay, so fine now, guys. After then, what is the query? And what is that? E dot emp name, right? E dot emp name. Okay, so emp name is what? Second index, right? Now question mark second. Okay, fine. After then, what is that? After then, R. Let's take R only, right? R, what is that? E dot, right? Anything is if match, right? In between. Okay, so because of that I'm taking R. Okay, R condition. E dot, what is that? Emp cell, right? Emp cell equal to what is that? Question mark. What is the index number now, guys? Third, right? Third. Okay, so this is our what? Query now. Okay, guys. Okay, so fine. This is our query. Okay, so let's run the application and we will see this now. Okay, what I'm going to do now, I'm commenting this one. Okay, so fine now, guys. So here, let's take this out. Repo dot, what is the method name? Get emp name, and what is that? Cell by ID, right? This method.
Get emp by ID and a name or cell.
Repo dot what? Okay, this is the method name, right? Inside that, what we will do now, guys? I'm going to just, what is that? 11 A and a 2. I'm going to pass it, right? So here, what I'm going to do now? 11 here, what I'm going to do now? I'm passing, what is that? A string. After then what? Here, what is that now, guys? Here, what is that? See this. Okay, what is that? 2, right? Just I'm passing the 2. Okay, the matching record, right? I want to what? Matching record. Now let's run the application now and we will see this one. See this, guys? Emp ID 11, emp name A, and what? Emp salary 2 now, right? 2 now. We are getting or not? Come on.
Yes, Ravi, clear.
Good. So even in the Oracle, right? What is that? In the Oracle, come here. In the Oracle MySQL database, what is that? Queries how we are performing now, guys? How we are performing? Like what is that? It support. What is that? Our query parameter is support. What is that? In operator also, right? What is that? In operator. So just think about that. What I'm doing now here in this application, right? In this application, what? See this in the last only, right? The query, what is that? And we are writing, right? And what is that? R, right? So same, like if we want to select, what is that? Multiple record, right? Multiple records. So for that, what is that query? Just think about that. In the database, right? In the database, I want, what is that? Select, what is that? 12 and 13 record, right? So what is the query now? We can write like this only, right? We can write like this also, right? So SQL query will be what is that now, guys? SQL like what is that? Select star from EMP tab, right? EMP tab where EID equal to what is that? Just think about that 10, and what is that? R EID equal to what is that? 14, right? 14. Okay. So R, what is that? EID equal to what is that? EID equal to what is that? 14 is there or not? No. 11, 12, 13 is there, right? 11, 12, 13. Sorry. Here what? 11 here what? 12. Okay. No, I want what is that? This two record only to select it, right? I want to select these two record only, right? 11 or what is that? 12 only, right? 11 and what? 12. Okay, good. So okay. Okay, yeah. I want to select these two record, right? These two records. So come here, here, right? Okay. So what is that? Select star from what is that? What is the employee, right? Employee where okay, where what is that? EID equal to what is that? 10, and R what is that? EID equal to what is that? 20, right? I want this two record. Okay, I want what is that to select what is that? This two record. Okay, so okay, 10 both are not there. Both are
10
not there, right?
20 is
Both
not
are
there.
not there. Where the my mind? Okay, now execute it.
12 types are 22.
Okay, no problem. Whatever
Sorry, you
matching
written
record
22.
is there, see this. Whatever matching record is there, that record is came or not, guys? Come on.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, so same like if all record will match, right? All record will come. See, two record is came or not?
Yes.
So okay, so means what is that? So what is that? See, the query is lengthy or not, guys? Come on. So instead of what we will do now, where we will use what is that? EID, right? EID in operator. We can select like this also, right? In operator, if we select what is that? 12, what is that? 11, and what is that? 12. I want these two record. Now execute the application. Now what is that? Same result we are getting or not? No, I want 13, 11 and 30. Okay, execute it. See this 11 and 30 record we are getting or not, guys? Come on.
Yes,
got it. Yes, got it.
So what is that compared to our operator? In is working function working fastly or not, guys? Come on.
Yes.
So okay, so if we if we want to select multiple record, then which operator we will use now, guys? In operator. So same like we can perform using what is that? Query parameter also using what is that? In operator. We can select multiple record using in operator also. So for that, let's write one. What is that? Let's write. And even what is that? Okay, we will explain it. Okay, before between operator also there are in our database or not, guys? Between also or not? Oh, between. How many people know that between in operator, group by, function, order by, these things? How many people know that now, guys? Let me know that. If anybody know that, don't know, I will. No, right? Manjulata, you don't know?
I
Okay,
don't know,
no
sir. I'm
problem,
not
guys.
used to
No
it.
problem. Who don't know? Okay, see that. Just because of that, here before I explain what is that a same query to select the data using what is that R operator. Suddenly I change that one in the in operator or not. So same like, okay, no problem. If don't know, that is the not problem. After, if you have the resources to learn the things, again, if you are not learning, right, then that is the crime, guys. Okay, that is the crime. If you have the resources to learn, right, and if you are not utilizing, that is the crime. If you don't know, that is no problem. But if anybody is trying to explain those things, and the person is don't want to learn, then that is the biggest crime. Not a crime, biggest crime. Okay, so no problem, guys. Don't worry about that. Because of that, see, in the data JPA, I'm covering what is that our database query also. Don't worry. And even in the JPA, no one will teach what is that Hibernate. I'm teaching to you people Hibernate also. Think about that. How much I'm thinking about you people. Okay, so okay, guys. So no problem. Okay, no problem. Okay, if I get that, what I can do, I have too much less time, right? I have too much less time. Otherwise, I can make you people full stack in the by seeing the what is that requirement. You people can write the code like that. I can make it. Okay, so no problem. Let's see that. Okay, so here what is that? So this is what is that? This is the in operator, right? We will perform the operation, guys. Okay, no problem. Okay, so what is that? Now our next what is that? Next one is what? Just think about that. This is the record is there, right? This is the record. What I'm going to do now? 11, 12, 13 is there, right? So what is that? 13. One more I'm putting here. 14, and C here D, and what is that here? 5.5 data I'm taking, right? This is our data. Okay, so what I'm doing now? What is our need? Hey, Mr. Ravikant Tripathi, I want to select what is that between using between operator is there in the database, right? So what is that? I want to select what is that? 11 to 13 record, not a 14. Mean between 11 to 13, whatever record is there, I want to see that, right? I want to see that. So for that, what is the query now, guys? So for that, what is the query now? See that. Okay, select what is that? Select star from what? What is that? Select star from what? Employee, right?
Employee.
Where the condition? We will take the where condition. What is that? From here onward, just tell.
EID. EID between
EID equal to
EID.
EID between.
to 11.
Between. Where EID between.
EID between.
11 and 14.
Yes, correct. 11 and what is that? 11 and
13.
13.
13.
Just let's take the 13, right? 13. Now let's execute the query now, guys.
And spelling wrong.
Oh yeah, correct.
Where spelling
something wrong is there, yaar.
Where spelling? WHE.
Yes, good. Yes, see, 14th record is not coming, right? 11, 12, 13th record is coming now or not, guys? Come on.
Yes.
Okay.
That is.
Yes, sir.
So even what is that? Group by, order by, right? Group by, order by also. These operation about what is that database now, guys? Okay. So using what is that query? Using query, we can perform this operation also now. Okay. So okay. So what we will do now? Guys? So let's perform it, right? Let's perform and we will see these operations also, right? Let's perform and we will see these operations, right? So what is that? How we can write it now, guys? How we can write it? These things using what is that? Using what? Like our what? This my Java JPA repository, using what is that? JPA repository. So what is that? Using this is the, we are going to perform what is that? Where condition, right? So what is that? Get, just I'm writing what? Get emp by what? Get emp by what? ID. We are going to perform in operator using what is that? In operator, guys. Okay, so fine now, guys. So here what is the argument, right? What is the argument will be? Because see this, guys, here what is that? Here what we seen that
11, 13.
1, 2, 3 in operator, right? In operator, how many list of data we will send it, right? So same like what is that? list, we will take the argument list, and what is that, which kind of data we will send it now based on the ID we are selecting, right? So ID is what? Integer now, right? Integer. So we will take what is that? Integer. Integer. Okay, so what is that? Just data. Okay, data. Okay, fine now guys. So this is what our method, and based on this one, what it will return now guys? It will return what is that? List of what? Employees.
List of employee of
Ravi, can we take integer array also in place of list?
Sorry,
Can we take integer array?
here.
Int array.
No. Based on that, what is that ID, right? Based on that ID, we are selecting this all records, so we can't take.
No, as a parameter, we have taken list, right? Int
List,
array
right?
also we can take.
We can take a integer array also, no problem. Integer,
Okay.
good analysis. Okay, we can take it. Okay, so fine now guys. So okay, this is the our what method, right? Okay, so now what is that query? Let's write the query. Now fine, inside that what we will do now guys, inside that what we will do now, select E from, right? E from employee, E where E dot what? E dot EMP ID is there, right? Or variable name guys, this variable name SQL query I'm writing now.
In empid.
Okay, so EID, okay, in operator, right?
Yeah,
Inside that what we will do now guys? Now guys, here see this is the positional parameter, and what is that? Our JPA is what is that? Our JPA is supporting what is that? Named parameter also guys. Okay, so here what is that? I'm going to take what is that? Named parameter, right? So what is that named parameter? Colon, and what is that? Whenever we will take the named parameter, whatever argument is there must be matched guys. Okay, must be matched, otherwise our application will not run. Okay, here named parameter after question mark index will, this one not mandatory to match it, right? This one, but indexing order must be matched, but here what is that? Named parameter, whenever we will use a name parameter, named, right? Whatever argument is there, method argument must be matched, otherwise you will get what? Error. Got it the point now guys?
method name.
Yes, method
method
name
name
must
spelling.
be
he
matched
removed
with
this
what is that?
once
Named
No,
parameter.
method name spelling. Method name spelling is wrong.
TEMP by ID. GET.
Yes, Ravi. Please check method name.
Okay, EMP by ID, right?
Get
Get
EMP.
EMP by ID in
Get EMP by ID. Now fine, right? Okay guys, so let's execute this application, right? Let's execute. Come here, come in the runner class. Okay, so what I'm going to do now? Okay, here only. Okay, this is the method now. Okay, fine now guys. So here what we will do now, we will pass the list of what is that? Array dot
As list.
as
Arrays as list. Arrays.
yes
arrays, Ravi, arrays.
as list, right? So here what I'm going to do now, I want to select what is
11,
that?
12, 13.
11, 12, 30, right? No, in this time we will select what is that? 12, 13, 14, right? 12, 13, 14. Now 12, 13 and what? 14. This is the data. Now let's run the application. See this guys?
Yes. we
One
got.
record 12, 13 and what? 14. See, 3 record we are getting on our based on that
Yes,
in operator. Now, okay. So next one is what guys? Next one is what? Between, right? Between operator is there. Na? Between
Yes,
operator is
between
there,
operator.
right? Between operator. So let's perform the between operation also, right? Between operations also. Now fine now guys, so let's perform it. Okay, let's perform it now. Between operation. Okay, so between means what? Between means what? Here, right? From whatever data we will take from there to there end, right? So now what is the query now guys?
Range.
Okay, so first we will specify the method now. Okay guys,
Get EMP ID by range.
okay, so just what is that? Get the method name we will take like get emp right? Emp by what?
Range.
ID, right? Based on the ID between we are going to between, right? Between, this is the our own choice method name guys. You people can take our own name also, no problem in that, right? No problem in that. Okay, good. So okay, so what is that? Okay, so here what is that? So I'm taking what is that? Integer, right? Start means what is that? Whatever we will take, that is the starting point, right? If we are taking 14, okay, 13, like from the last ending point, 14 to 13, 12 to 14, if we are taking, this data will come, right? So means what is starting, means what is that? Int start, and what is the integer end. Two argument I'm taking guys. Okay, two argument I'm taking now. Okay, fine. So this one will return what is that? List of what? Employee. List of what? Employee. Fine. So this is what our method now. Okay, so what is that query will be now guys? What is the query? At the rate query. Now the query will be now guys, select E from employee, good, employee. Now what is that? E where E dot, right? EMP ID, EMP what? ID, right? Between right? Between what is that? I'm taking what is that? Name parameter guys. Okay, colon, what is that? STRT, right? What is that? Start point. I'm taking what is that? Starting point. Here what is that? Starting point. After then what? And named parameter ending point. I'm giving what? This ending point now guys. Okay, so this is our what? Query now guys. Okay, so shall we run the application now? Come on.
Yes, Ravi, please run.
Okay,
Right
so
command
what is that?
line.
Okay, so what is that? Let's see that. Okay, let's see that. What is that? Sysout a repo dot get emp. What is that method name? Between, right?
Get EMP by ID between.
Okay, so starting point, what we will give now guys? Starting point 12 and ending
12 to
point
14.
14 I'm giving, right?
Yes, 12, 14.
12 and what is that? 14, right? Now let's run the application and we will see that our desired result now guys.
We
I
have
think
given
Ravi,
12
you
only.
are given 12, 12.
Sorry,
We have given
I
12,
think
12.
you given 12, 12.
it's okay, no problem. If and we are taking, right, whatever matching data will be there, that data will come, right? 12 is matching now, that one is coming now. Okay, no problem.
Yes,
Okay, we will
okay.
again, what is that? 12, 12, right? Another one is 14. Now let's run the application. See this? 12 record we are getting. After then 13
Yes.
record we are getting. After then what? 14
Yes,
record. We are
14.
getting or not guys? Come
Yes.
on.
Yes, come
Yes.
in, come in.
Yes.
Okay, so fine now guys. So
Yes.
okay, so we completed, right? We completed all permutation and combination. But what is that? Our query parameter. One more concept is we can't leave any concept, guys. Okay, be patient and learn the things. Okay, so what is that? Native query. You know that in the Hibernate Hibernate, how many people heard about native query?
Yes, Ravi. Heard.
How many people know native SQL? Come on, guys. Respond. No idea native, right? Okay. No idea. Okay, everyone give the response, guys. Okay. Amrani no, Sachin no. Okay. Only 2 people is given the answer. After then other. No idea. Oh, you really okay? No problem. I will tell. Other. Saurabh no. Sudhir, I think you know that, right? Oh, Sudhir, no idea. Okay, good. Good. Okay, guys, no problem. I am here. Okay, I am here to explain it. Okay, no problem. Okay, be positive. Let's run it. Let's learn it. Okay, let's learn it. Okay, good. Just you are the truth. I have given reply. Yes. Just what is that? Just what? If you are truth, okay, about yourself, that's enough. Okay, that's enough to what is that? Build a success. Okay, build a success in the better place. Okay, so good. No problem. We will see that. Okay, we will see that. Okay, guys. So what is that? So see this. Okay, what is that? What is the native means? What native means? What, guys? Just let me know that. What is the meaning of native?
Ravi, group by, can you explain group?
Group by. Okay, group by also you want. Okay.
Yes, I have idea, but little bit confusion is there.
Good. No problem, Padma. Don't worry. Okay, group by, order by. Okay, good. So okay, group by. Okay. Anyone having the idea about group by? Sudhir?
Yes, Ravi, I have written the query in the chat.
Okay, good.
ESAL, group by ESAL. We will get 4 records.
Yes.
If you modify any same number, you will get 3 records. Like if you modify anything, ESAL. Like if you make 3.2 to 2 only.
Group by means what is that?
Can you make modify the data?
Yes.
Can you make 3.2 to 2 only? 3.2. 3.2 to 2. Yes. 3.2. Yeah. 2.
Same is cell.
Make it 2.
Yes, 2. Then become group. One group.
Alter data. Yeah. Make it
What
2.
is that?
Yeah.
What you want?
2.
What
2.
is
Make
two?
it 2. 2.
Then become
Yeah.
one group.
Yeah. Commit. Yes. Now run the query. You will get 3 records.
Why?
Because group by ESAL, it is grouping by salary. So like on you have 2 records for 2 day ESAL 2.
1 minute.
In that case, you have to choose instead of star.
1 minute. I will explain it. Don't worry. Because of that, I'm just asking. You are going good. Okay. Group by means what is that? Okay. Group by means what now, guys? Okay. Group by means what is that? Only what is that unique based on that e salary, right?